Welcome back to new video. Today we learn how to create account for Datadogs. Right now I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. Search Datadogs web accessor. Yes. After this you need to open this website https webaccessor.com Datadogs. Create on this website. If you already have login, you can directly log in from here. Insert your username and password. We are creating new accounts, so create account. After that you need to fill some details. Enter your username here. After that enter your password. Password must be strong. Re-enter your password. Re-enter your password here. Then your first name as per your government ID, as per your legal documents. Then your last name, again it's as per your government ID. Enter your Gmail ID here, email address. Yes, enter your email address. Then address, then city Pune, country, select your country, India, then select your state, Maharashtra, then postal code, enter your company's email address here, sadhavar@gmail.com. Okay, then here after that you need to enter your company name, Softtech Cloud, then save. Oh, see here, this username is not available. You can change your username. We are changing our username now. Scroll down. Here you need to enter your experience also. Enter your experience. Save. Let me check this available. Yes, this is available. Here the account is created. You got mail from them. Thank you for watching this video.